installation has been done. So we have our double cage here, which has got 2 cylinders. This fits up to 19 kgs. We've put 15 kgs by 2. Let me show you how the system works. So you can open up. So when you open up your cage, your cylinder is actually opening with the door of the cage. So this is how beautiful we've made this cage. You open up, then your cylinder actually comes out. This makes it easy when you are loading in and out of your cylinder. Then what we have here, we have a dual manifold where you have 2 cylinders connected in series, so you only turn one at a go. So we'll start with 1 cylinder. So open our valve. So once that valve is opened, then gas is now able to go to the pipe. Then we come to the cylinder. Skip to the cylinder. So on your cylinder here, it's open. Open is turning to the left. So you turn your cylinder, you turn, so that's opened. No need to turn it all the way, even halfway, as long as gas is able to flow. So your gas will be flowing through the pipe. It gets to the copper piping, then it goes to the inside. So once that's done, you just close off your cage, ensure that it's safe and it's secure. Your cylinders will be secured inside the cage. No one can easily tamper with them and they can't be stolen. So this is the reason why we advise you have your cylinders being put on the outside. Let them be where it's well ventilated so that you won't have any challenges. We now get on the inside where we've got our stove. So this is a 5-burner stove that's here. We've got a valve that's been safely put inside the cabinet. So that's the valve. That's the on position. So once your valve is in the on position, then we come to the stove. This stove is connected to electric power source for ignition. So all you do, you just push in the knob, you hear the ticking sound, that's the igniter. You turn, then it goes on. So you push in, you turn, it goes on. You push in, you turn, it goes on. You push in, you turn, it goes on.